Hi guys, yeah. So as you saw in the first, you saw the one bucket and a pipe and some water going through the pipe into a bottle. So today I'm going to show you an experiment. If our so yeah, for the video, we need some pipe. We need a pipe, long pipe maybe. That doesn't fit. Yeah, a long pipe. That and a bucket filled with water, and the bucket should be kept on top of a stool, and it should be filled with water. Not fully, at least maximum it should be at least still here, as you can see a bit. Maximum weight water should be till here. So let's keep that back. And then next we need is a glass container. The container, we need a glass container. Let's keep that at the bottom. And let's take our pipe. So we put the pipe in the water, and the container which we are using should be empty. And we just put the pipe in the water, suck some it, and spit it out near plants or anything like that. Sorry, actually you have to keep the pipe. Below the level of the water you have taken. So let's do that. Let us try that again. 3. So, if you can see, there is water going through the pipe into the container. You may be able to see it, but you have to keep the pipe and the container as low as possible, lower than the level of the water filled in the bucket. So we'll see. We'll keep seeing. As you saw in the container, you can see a bit of water here. If I move the container, you can see the water over there. So it's filling. Let's check, is it filling really? Yes, it is filling. So let us make it fill till the full. Let us wait. Yep. So if you can see, it's filled till there. You can either remove the pipe from the bucket outside the water, or you can just remove it till above the height of the water where it's filled. So it will stop, and there we go. Voila, water in a jar. Let us water some plants.
क्या लेसन क्या है?
Now that I've watered some plants, we have this much left. Let's put that back. And let me describe you to the. So when you saw the pipe, in the pipe there'll be some air in it. So if I suck it, if I pull it inside my mouth, some water will come in. Otherwise, I'll tell you. So if you put the pipe normally that in the bucket of water and put it there, it will not come, because there are some air in the pipe which blocks the water from coming in. So to avoid that, we can just take the pipe, like suck it in, and then suck it in at the low level of the water, below the level of the water you have filled, and then just put it in it. So when we suck it in, the air gets sucked and some of the water gets sucked, so we can remove the water, but the air, it gets removed on its own.